everyone, and welcome to Bedtime Chapters. My name's Nina and I'm your storyteller for today. Now, you're probably wondering what I'm doing sat in my apron and my gloves. Well, in this story, the old lady, the dog, the cat and the little brown mouse are going to do a big spring clean. So let's see what happens, shall we? Time for a spring clean, the old lady said. Winter's behind us and summer's ahead. We'll spruce up the house so it looks shiny and new. So dog, cat and mouse, there's plenty to do. There's dusting and scrubbing and curtains to wash and rubbish to clear and boxes to squash. We'll clean the house from bottom to top. Until we're finished, we just won't stop. But don't be alarmed, it'll be fun, you'll see, the old lady said as she finished her tea. But little brown mouse wasn't happy at all. I'd rather be outside playing catch with a ball. Well, out came the dusters, the bucket and the mops. And in went the soap suds with bobbly plops. Down came the curtains in the blink of an eye to be scrubbed and rinsed and hung out to dry. Dog flicked the duster all over the place, on shelves and in corners and even Cat's face. Cat scrubbed the cupboards and cooker and fridge while rinsing his sponge with a squish and a squidge. But little brown mouse was the smallest of all and had a job that made him feel 10 feet tall. My job's the best, he shouted out loud as he wielded his mop, feeling so super proud. The water splashed round, leaving many a puddle, and the old lady gasped, "Oh dear, what a muddle." The dog and the cat went slipping and sliding, but from Mouse and his mop there was no hiding. Maybe that job wasn't right for you. Here, little mouse, this is what you do. So she squeezed out the mop till it was nice and dry. Here, little mouse, have another try. Out of the way, mop coming through. So poor cat and dog didn't know what to do. Up jumped the cat to a shelf safe and sound, but dog was still rooted there on the ground. "You've washed my paws," was all dog could say, as Mouse and his mop sloshed on their way. But soon everything was sparkling clean. Even the mirrors had a dazzling sheen. With curtains back up, the house was like new. An old lady sat down with a ah and a ooh. Dog sat beside her, and as she stroked his ear, said, "Thank goodness we only do that once a year. Now off you all go and play for a while, but not in the dirt," she said with a smile. So dog, cat and mouse scampered out in the sun, and old lady thought, "Thank goodness we're done." And that's the end of tonight's chapter. I hope you liked it. Night night, sleep tight, sweet dreams.